everybody, and welcome to the channel. Today's project is kind of an interesting one because we're going to have to fix what looks like a little tiny hole right there. Can you see it? The reason is because birds have been flying in there and making nests, and that's fine for the birds but not so good for the homeowner. So we have to get in there and fix it. Now normally you'd say, well, just climb up on a big ladder and put a plug in there or some caulk, but the birds have been getting in there for quite a while, we think. At least a year, and maybe a lot longer. So there's probably a big mess. So we're gonna cut it out from the inside, cut the drywall off, clean out whatever the birds have put in there, put a plug in that hole, put a wood plug in that hole, and then put the drywall back. So join us as we go through that process. There's one on this side of the house and one on the other side of the house, back around there. So, thanks for watching and enjoy watching us plug some holes and evict some birds. All right, so there's the window that we were looking at. And here's our measurement to approximate where the hole is. Hopefully it's right about there. We'll cut that out and hopefully that's what we'll find. Well, that was pretty good. We got that hole spot on. And clearly the birds have been in there tearing away at the insulation. So there's insulation missing all the way around there. So we'll get that patched up and cleaned out. All right, so the idea is to use this hole saw and cut a hole or a circle of wood out of that old cedar fencing that we can fit into that hole, and then use some caulking to get it all nice and neat as possible. And then we'll put some insulation behind it. So this is how much nesting material was in there. This is a pretty big bucket here, and it's about 3/4 full of pine straw and leaves. But I think we're pretty clean now. Down to insulation down there in the bottom. Maybe you can see that. Let me put a little light with it here. Yeah, we're pretty clean down there now. There's that little circle of wood plug we put in there. We'll go around and see what it looks like from the other side. That's sticking out too far. We'll have to do something about that. All right, I think that's got it. Nice and flush with the outside, and that has the insulation on the inside, and I'll show you. Of course, while I'm working here, there's a bird that's trying to get in that hole. Let's see if I can show you the bird. And next we're going to work on that hole right there. And I've already got the measurements for it. So we're going to go inside and mark it out and cut out a piece of drywall like we did on the other one. Alright, so we've measured out all of these. And this should be about where the hole is right there. And just one other thought is that we want to cut on studs if we can. And then this piece of drywall will fit right in there and hook onto a stud, rather than just be hanging in midair. So we want to use our stud finder, this little gadget, to do this, where we come across here and we see that the little light comes on right there where we put our mark. So this is where we're going to cut that square. And there we go. The hole is uncovered. There's the nesting material we'll get out of there. So patch that hole up. Okay, so there it is. We have the polyiso, the hole. That's the piece of wood we just painted and put in there. Everything is caulked and it's flush with the outside. So I think we're going to let that dry for a bit, put a little more insulation in there, and then put the drywall back up, try and mud it in place. So there's the birds trying to get in that home, and they've been evicted. Yeah, I can't get in. What's wrong? Somebody closed my home. Hey, who put that in there? What's going on, guys? Something's in my front door. And there's that hole patched. There's the polyiso. That's the little wooden plug I put in there. And then caulked everything so that it's nice and sealed. Okay, there's the first one with the drywall back in. And the first coat of drywall compound on there. Let me show you the other one. And there's the other one right there. All back in place with drywall compound on it. So it'll be ready for another coat of drywall compound tomorrow after we sand it. And there's that one. Looks like the paint may be just a little lighter color than what's up there, but it's close. And there's that one. Birds have been evicted. All right, I think that's probably enough on that one. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for the next project.